Welcome to the AspenClean kitchen. I'm Leah, and today we're taking a look at the Environmental Working Group, or EWG, including their super handy EWG Healthy Living app. We're going to talk a little bit about AspenClean's partnership with EWG. That's because 11 AspenClean products are now EWG verified. AspenClean was the first EWG verified cleaning product on the market. How does the EWG's Healthy Living app help you make better choices as a consumer? Well, EWG's goal is to help you make better, more informed choices. They're a non-profit group dedicated to supporting healthier products like AspenClean's cleaning supplies. To become EWG verified, AspenClean products had to undergo rigorous assessment. There were several different areas that we needed to verify to pass our products. First, we had to make sure each of our products reached a high rating based on the ingredients used. Second, AspenClean had to ensure that our products avoided certain unacceptable or prohibited ingredients. That meant avoiding a lot of ingredients you'll find in other household cleaners. We're talking about nasty chemicals that can activate allergies, cause asthma, and irritate or even burn skin. Third, full transparency with our customers. On our labels, we list all our ingredients and don't hide behind vague terms like preservatives. What you see is exactly what you get. Fourth on the list was maintaining strict air quality standards to ensure particles from sprays and powders do not impact your health. Volatile organic compounds must be limited to levels even lower than under California's Air Resources Board guidelines, or CARB for short. You gotta cut out those carbs, am I right? No? Nobody? AspenClean products were tested extensively for their ability to eliminate microbes and ensure efficacy. EWG requires that companies disclose any performance standards that have been met by the product. All of that is why we're so excited about the EWG verification. Not only are we confident in our cleaning products, but now we are the first cleaning product to be proven healthier by EWG's strict standards. Oh, and I almost forgot about the helpful app. EWG's Healthy Living app can be found on the App Store. It can tell you whether the items you're buying are healthier or better suited for the trash. Very healthy. Thank you for joining us. If you'd like to learn more about AspenClean, please find us online. Keep your home healthy, clean, and toxin-free.